Find the missing frequency if it is known that the mean of the distribution table is 1.46 and total observations is 100. So in the first row, we are given the xi, number of accidents and the frequency. So for 0, the frequency is 46. For 1, it is F1, which is to be found out. For 2, number of accidents, F2, 3 accidents, 25, 4 accidents, 10, and 5 accidents, 5. We need to find F1 and F2, the missing frequencies. So here we are dealing with, remember, mean. And for mean, we find Fi, Xi. So 0 into 46 is 0, 1 into F1 is 1 F1, 2 into F2 is 2 F2, 3 into 25, 75, 4 into 10, 40, 5 into 5, 25. And then we find the total of Fi, Xi. So summation or sigma Fi, Xi, you add up all and you get 140 plus F1 plus 2 F2. Here too the total number of observation is given as 100. Here the total frequency sigma Fi will be equal to 86 plus F1 plus F2. Now the total observations here, n is given as 100. So one equation we have, n is equal to 100, and we know this is also n. So 86 plus F1 plus F2 equal to 100. So our F1 plus F2 is 100 minus 86. So we have F1 plus F2 is 114. This we write as equation 1, and we are going to use it later. We know the formula for mean is sigma Fi Xi over sigma Fi. Now the mean is already given to us as 1.46. Sigma Fi Xi is 140 plus F1 plus 2 F2, that we have found out. And the number of observations, that sigma Fi, or we call it n, is 200. When we cross multiply, we get 1.46 into 200 equal to 140 plus F1 plus 2 F2. So I have 292 equal to 140 plus F1 2 F2. 296 minus 140 F1 plus 2 F2. So the equation here comes 152 equal to F1 plus 2 F2. We take this as equation 2, and we have an equation 1. Remember here this was our equation 1, which was it, F1 plus F2 equal to 114. This was our equation 1 equal to 114. This was equation 1. Now we will subtract both the equations. Subtraction means we change the sign. This cancels out. So here you will have minus F2 equal to minus 38. And the F2 will be 38. To find F1, substitute F2 equal to 38 in the equation. F1 plus F2 is 114. So F1 plus 38 equal to 114, and your F1 equal to 76. So for your answer, F1 equal to 76, F2 equal to 38. The mean of the distribution table is 50. The total number of observations is 120. Find the missing frequencies. So here first we need to find the mid value. We call that as Xi. it's the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 20 divided by 2, and that is 10. 20 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 30. 40 plus 60 divided by 2, 50. 60 plus 80 divided by 2, 70. 80 plus 100 divided by 2, 90. In the next row, we need to find the product of Fi, Xi. So first is 10 into 17, that is 170. Fi into 30, so it is 30 Fi. 32 into 50 is 1600. F2 into 70 is 70 F2. And 19 into 90 is 1710. Next, we need to find the sum sigma Fi Xi. So when we add this, we get 2480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. And the total number in the frequency, when we add, we get 68 plus F1 plus F2, and we know that the total here is given as 120. The total observations n, which is n, is 120. So this is n. So I can say 68 plus F1 plus F2 equal to 120, which means F1 plus F2 equal to 120 minus 68. So F1 plus F2 equal to 52. We are going to use this information later. Now formula of mean equal to sigma Fi Xi over total number of observations, or I can write sigma Fi. So here in this case, we know the mean was given to us 50. Sigma Fi Xi we found out 3480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 over total number of observation 120. To make these calculations a little easier, I'm going to take 10 common out in the numerator. So I write 348 plus 3F1 plus 7F2 over 120. So this cancels. So now 50 into 12 equal to 348 plus 3F1 plus 7F2. So 600 equal to 348, 3F1 plus 7F2. 600 minus 348 equal to 3F1 plus 7F2. So then 600 minus 348 is 252 equal to 3F1 plus 7F2. However, earlier we know that F1 plus F2 was equal to 52. So that means F1 equal to 52 minus F2. We'll put the values here. So I get 252 equal to 3. For the F1, I'm going to put 52 minus F2. And this is plus 7F2. So 252, 3 into 52 is 156 minus 3F2 plus 7F2. So we continue with this. So 252 equal to 156 minus 3F2 plus 7F2. 252 minus 156 equal to 4F2. So we have 96 equal to 4F2 and F2 equal to 96 by 4. So F2 equal to 24. Now to find F1, we put in the equation F1 plus F2 equal to 24. We know F2 is 24. So I put F1 plus 24 equal to, this is wrong here, not 24, this is 52. equal to 52, and then you'll find the value of F1. You'll get, your F2 we found was 24, F1 plus F2 was 52, so we have F1 plus 24 equal to 52, so F1 is 52 minus 24, F1 is 28. So for the answers, your F1 28, your F2 24. If the mean of the following distribution is 91, so here we have the mean is 91, find the missing frequency. The total observation is given as 150. So first we need to find our class marks, which is xi, is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 30 divided by 2, 15. 30 plus 60 divided by 2, 45. 60 plus 90 divided by 2, 75. Again upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, which is 90 plus 120 divided by 2, 105. Then we have 120 plus 150 divided by 2, 135. 150 plus 180 divided by 2, 165. The next column is Fi, Xi. So we multiply the Fi, which is here, into the Xi. So 12 into 15, and that would be 180. Next 21 into 45, 945. F1 into 75 is 75 F1. Then we have 105 into 52, and that is 5460. Next, when we multiply 135 into F2, 165 into 11, that is 1815. And you add up sigma Fi Xi, and here you will get 8400 plus 75 F1 plus 135 F2, and then we need to add up the frequencies, the total frequencies Fi, and that is 96 plus F1 plus F2. But this total frequencies is equal to n, and the n here, the total observations n is given as 150. So we have 150 equal to 96 plus F1 plus F2. So 150 minus 96, F1 plus F2, which is 54 equal to F1 plus F2. The next we have mean is sigma Fi Xi over total number of observation. Here the mean is given as 91, which is 8400 plus 75 F1 plus 135 F2. We have found this over total observations is 150, that is your n. Cross multiply 91 into 150 equal to 8400 plus 75 F1, 135 F2. On multiplying 13650 equal to, this is 8400 plus 75 F1, 135 F2. 13650 minus 8400, 75 F1 plus 135 F2. And on subtracting subtracting this, here we get 5250 equal to 75 F1 plus 135 F2. But earlier we already have found out that F1 plus F2 is 54. Therefore, our F1 will be equal to 54 minus F2. We put these values out here. So we have 5250 equal to 75. Here for your F1, I am going to put 54 minus F2, and this is plus 135 F2. Now let's go ahead and solve this. So 5250 equals 75 into 54 is 4050. 75 into F2, 75 F2 plus 135 F2. 5250 equal to 4050. On subtraction of this, plus 60 F2. So 5250 minus 4050 equal to 60 F2. On subtraction, you get 1200 equal to 60 F2. Let me go ahead here. So your F2 will be equal to 1200 over 60. So F2 works out to be 20. Now to find your F1, we put in the equation F1 plus F2 equal to 54. And we know already that our F2 is 20 equal to 54. So our F1 will work out to be 54 minus 20. F1 is 34.